Hello everyone, this is Yamini Lakshmi. I'm from CSE department. Today I'm going to discuss about quantum dots in LED, light emitting diode. Quantum dots in light emitting diode. So let's see first introduction. Quantum dots could support large, flexible displays. At present, they are used only to filter light from LEDs to backlight LCDs rather than as actual displays. Properties and performance are determined by the size or composition of the QD. QD means quantum dots. Quantum dots are both photoactive and electroactive. Photoactive means photoluminescent and electroluminescent, allowing them to readily incorporate it into new emissive display architectures. Next, definition of quantum dots. Quantum LED or QLED is considered as a next generation display technology after OLED displays. Quantum LED dot emitting diodes and are the form of light emitting technology and consist of nanoscale crystals that can provide an alternative for applications such as display technology. The light emitting centers are cadmium selenide nanocrystals or quantum dots. So let's see the characteristics of quantum dots. Quantum dot based LEDs are characterized by pure and saturated emission colors with nano bandwidth, and due to the spectrally narrow tunable emission and ease of processing, colloidal quantum dots are attractive metals for LED technologies. So they possess these characteristics so that they are attractive materials for LED technologies. So why are quantum dots are used in LED? There are some particular reasons that why quantum dots are used in LED. For saturated colors and for stability. We mostly need the stability in any field. So quantum dots are used in LED for stability and for saturated colors. So what I mean by saturated colors? Quantum dots can be used in the quality of white lighting, which can be evaluated by color temperature and color rendering index, which is commonly known as CRI. So saturated colors can be of any quality of white lighting. Saturated colors, quantum dots are generally white color. They can be evaluated by color temperature and color rendering index CRI. The color temperature of a light source is the temperature of an ideal black body radiator that radiates light from the same hue. Okay, you can understand this point. Ideal black body radiator radiates the same color of temperature. What is meant by stability? So there are two causes for using LED. Quantum dots are used in LED because saturated colors and for stability. Because they have inorganic semiconductor cores, QDs are often more resistant than organic dyes to degradation caused by effects such as photoabiliking, photoabiliking. Applications: quantum dot light emitting diode in photography. We have some applications using quantum dots in LED field, and we have also in the photography field. So quantum dots LED are used in phototherapy. One expression in is a medical dressing having an occlusive layer and translucent layer. Quantum dot emitting light emitting diode chips are configured within the occlusive layer and to provide the specific wavelength for use in phototherapy. You can see in the picture that there are four layers of quantum dots: blue, blue LED. The last layer is blue LED. The first is we have so many multicolors in it, and the colors of various colors is displayed as quantum dots as labeled in the diagram. What are incandescent bulbs? Incandescent bulbs known for converting 10% of electrical engineering into light and losing 90% of it into heat, and are rapidly being replaced worldwide by less wasteful fluorescent light sources. However, the most efficient approach to lighting is directed conversion of electricity into light using electroluminescent devices such as LEDs. You can see in the diagram, you can see in the bulb called, there are Quantum Materials Corporation cadmium free quantum dots encapsulated in the resin. These the outer cap, inner or outer caps, and the second diagram is, second figure is light extracting blue light emitting diode, print printed circuit board. This is the circuit board, and it has a blue light emitting diode, and it has the extractor of light. So you can understand the quantum dots in LED field. Firstly, I have to show you. These are the quantum materials, the applications of quantum dots in LED field. You can see in this diagram very clearly, and hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.